Yeah, hi guys. Today we're gonna discuss about the concept is like how we'll send a bulk emails to the HRs. Okay. First of all, you need to go to the Excel sheet and log in from Google. Okay. I have already logged in. Okay. You need to pick the new Excel sheet. Otherwise, like if you already exist, then you need to go to existing Excel sheet. Okay. Just uh, just I have specific folder. I mean specific file I have from the mails. Okay. This is how I send it. Okay. I will come from the scratch. Okay. I was deleting existing mails. Now it's empty. So yeah, so if you want like HR mails, go to the LinkedIn. Okay, go to the LinkedIn and search your which post you are like. For example, I was looking from the Azure DevOps engineer role. Okay, give a enter. Okay, so once you get, just click on the post. Sorry, yeah, so sorry, click on the post. So click on the, yeah, posts. Okay, and select the date itself. Okay, so which date is posted from HRs. So I was speaking past and 4 hours back. Okay, click this one. This is one of the most best strategy. Okay, okay, scroll down. If you scroll like this, so whatever HR is posted from today itself, you will get notified. Okay, so for example, from here is job title is job engineer role. Okay, looking for the last 11 years experience, and I think she shared the email. Okay, and so, so like this you will get the mails. Okay, so like this only you will get the mails. So you need to scroll down like this. Okay, you will get the more post. Okay, so how much you are scrolling, right, that much you will get it. Okay, like this mails. Just I was giving the control A control C. Okay, this is fine for me. And yeah, I have one more URL from the extracting mail from the post content. Okay, just I was pasting the all post content. Okay, whatever I copied, right, so that post content I have copied, and just I am giving the like extract mails. Okay, I got 5 mails. Okay, so whatever the last one, right, the Charan, so Anventa. So the last one is, I think, Charan Anventa. See here, so this one is Charan Anventa. So just need to copy all mails. So whatever the LinkedIn got from here, right, just need to paste from here. Just as specially all the mails. Okay, if you want more, just need to scroll down again itself. Okay, just to scroll down the LinkedIn. Conclude. Okay, just need to scroll down. Okay, you will get it the more post, and more data you will get it, and more mails you will get it. Okay, once you get the mails, right. Okay, just I got the mails now itself. Okay, just I'm copying the mails, and I'm going to like chat GPT, and I already gave the prompt as a, like, whenever giving the mails. Okay, before itself, so whatever you're mentioning, right, so it will be first letter will be capital, and the whenever comes from space, right, otherwise like dot I mean, dot Rina, you'll get like this, right? So whatever comes from mail, right, before at rate, so just first letter will be capital, and the second letter also, I mean, second word letter also, it will be capital. That's how I mentioned from the prompt. Okay, just I was giving all the names. Okay, it will give the right names. Okay, okay, it is not giving the right names. Again, I copy. Okay, again I copy. I was going existing one. Yeah, see, I got the names. Okay, just I was copying all the names. Okay, and pasting on the Excel sheet. Okay, okay, I have pasted the Excel sheet. So before that, you need to install this one, the Pingmin mail. Okay, okay, this section needs to be add. Okay, okay, just to copy this one and go to Excel sheet and go to the extension and add on and get add on. Okay, get add on. Just you need to paste the name here, Pingmin mail. Just want to mention like this. Okay, the first one I've already installed from my Excel sheet. Okay, this is the extension, it needs to be add. Okay, once add. Okay, once you already install, just go and click this one. Okay, and before that, go to, it's required it required one draft mail. Okay, it required draft mail. Okay, see here, it is asking draft mail. Okay, to send the HRs. That's why we need to go to the our yeah, so our so you Gmail account. Okay, and go from here and give the right draft mail. Okay, first I was explaining this one. Okay, So give the right subscription, I mean subject, and give the name as well, and make sure, so whenever providing this name, right, uh, curly braces name, so whatever you providing this name, it should be same from here itself. Okay, whatever he has provided the name, right, it should be same, otherwise it will not send the mail. It will not pick the specific name, so whatever you shared from the Excel sheet. So when just need to give the, this is the one you need to give. Okay, double curly braces and the name. Okay, rest all will be your content of the your body. Okay, give the right description, and yeah, paste your, I mean upload your resume. Okay, if the this one is done, okay, everything is looks good from the draft mail. Okay, I have three mails right now. One is from the subject is looking from the Java developer. This is like just I was giving the sample one. Okay, and the closing demit account also I have one more mail I have. Okay, these three mails I have. Okay. Okay, go to the sheet and select the right one. So I was second mail I have. Okay, second mail is the right template from me. Okay, I was clicking the, selecting the like right template. Okay, and showing emails. Okay, and it's showing like the how many intervals, I mean the, first of all it will send this mail. Okay, what is the time interval of should send the second mail. Okay, it is asking, just need to remove this one, like carrots, mention like a, yeah, hiring team. Okay, give 5 seconds. Okay, once the first mail is sent, at random it will take the 5 seconds, and again still the second mail. Okay. Okay, no need to give the sender name. Okay, it's not required, it's like only optional. I was sending the 5 mails. Okay, and before sending, and go to your yeah, mail and send. Okay, check the time. Okay, uh, yeah, the time is 9:19. Okay, the time is 9:19. I have last sent mails from the 9:8. Okay, are able to see my screen, right? So yeah, 9:8 is the last time, last sent a mail to 9:8. So now the time is 9:19. Okay, I was sending the mail 9. Okay, I'm sending the mail. Okay, it will med status, no need to give this med status. Okay, automatically it will pick. Okay, I was sending 5 mails I have mentioned. Okay, waiting for the response. Okay, at a time we can mention the 60 mails. Okay, 60 mails, there is a limit from the 500 mails at one day. Okay, up to at a time we can able to send the 60 mails. Okay. Okay, one mail was sent. Okay, go to and check your mail. Okay, just I was refreshing now. The last time is like 9:8. Okay, the time was 9:20. 9:20 has received the mail. See, see whatever I mentioned, right, from the Excel sheet. Okay, hiring team it was shown. Okay, and the first mail, so the first mail was like SBO Lipio. Okay, and the second mail hiring team, and third one is like Monali. Okay, Akshat and Sharan. The last mail was Sharan. Okay, see here, refresh this one. Last mail was Sharan. This how we need to send emails. Okay, I will tell okay, this how we'll send the mails. Okay, so no need to like struggle, single at single click. Okay, five out of five is done. Okay, single click we need to send the mails to bulk mails to the HRs. Okay, I will tell you one thing. Okay, how we'll implement this strategy to our day-to-day life. Okay. Okay, so whenever so if you want like send emails to regular daily to HRs. Okay, go to the LinkedIn. Okay, search as a, like which role you're looking for. Okay, just you need to go to the content. Okay, you can go scroll down the content. Okay, you'll get the more content, I mean more post data you will get it. Okay, once you will get the more post data, and once it's done, okay, just need to copy and paste from here. Okay, paste from this one here into paste, and you will get the extract mails, you will get it. Now previously I got 5 mails, now I got 13 mails. Okay, so like this only you need to do. Okay, once you get the mails, okay, same thing, just paste from here. Okay, like paste from here. uh, okay, the text was in, I think, white. Okay, 1 minute, I will copy properly. So this is how you need to send. Okay, copied, go to from the Excel sheet. Okay, so when I was doing, right, so it will take, we are loading the more data, right, so it will take time to load all the data. Okay, yeah, This is how you maintain, like how I did it means, so daily you need to go to the LinkedIn, okay, scroll down the all the post, copy from the all the post, and paste it from the this extract this extract email from the content. Okay, once you got the emails, and go to this Excel sheet, okay, and go to an Excel sheet and mention all the names. Okay, and go to and mention the names as well, the right names as well. Go to the chat GPT prompt and give the right names. Okay, you will get it, and send the mails, okay, to the HRs. So you need to follow daily. Okay, daily need to follow, and daily automatically you can send the emails to HRs, and definitely HR will contact you. Okay, yeah, that's all for video guys, and if you like the video, and share and subscribe. Okay, thank you guys.